Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a very interesting video. It is about my postpartum weight loss journey, how I lost 22 kgs of my pregnancy weight. It was not an easy journey for me because I was not losing weight at all. I was like, for the first 6 7 months I was totally, first 7 months I lost only around 2 kgs, and after that, in the last 7th month onwards till 10th month, in this 3 month gap, I lost the rest 13 kgs. 7 kg baby was born, and I lost that 7 kgs. So this 15 kgs which I lost is mostly in the 7 to 10 month period. In the first six and a half months I didn't lose anything. I tried so hard. I tried to talk to so many dietitians. I subscribed to so many fitness programs. Dietitians were giving me diet charts, fitness instructors were giving me all the workout schedules, but I could not follow them. It was not so easy, having a very small newborn baby and following diet chart timely is so difficult. It was not possible for me, but still I tried a lot, but it was not helping me in any way. And even the fitness instructor gave me whatever workout schedules. I had to again and again tell him or her that, see, I have just been out of a surgery, a cesarean surgery. So you give me some, workouts which are helpful for me to recover as well as lose weight in the long term. I don't want a short term weight loss journey. But that was also not suiting me because whenever I was trying to do workout, I was hurting myself, because after the surgery, due to that anesthesia, I started having lower back pain. Even lifting my baby was quite difficult. So that lower back pain was there. I was unable to do exercises properly. I was into workouts before I was pregnant, though I have been an overweight lady always. Since childhood I have been overweight. During my college days, I lost around 25 kgs by crash dieting and a lot of workout, lot of dance and workout. So after this, then I have been gaining and losing weight. There was a lot of fluctuations because my work schedule was quite hectic. So I tried to be like. To work out. I was always into workout. I love being active, but after cesarean surgery I could not do workouts. I was feeling very bad, feeling very low. I was unable to lose weight. It was so difficult for me. After the first 7 months, it was gone like that, only taking care of my baby. I couldn't get time even for a morning walk. I was not getting time for that because baby was always awake. He used to get 1 or 2 hours of sleep and then again awake. So I couldn't take care of myself. After that, 7 month onwards, also same thing was going on, but I guess I started becoming more active in my baby's work. I was running here and there. I was trying to do a lot of things myself. Being active in the household work only, it was really helping me. I started following balanced diet, less of carbs, more of vegetables, fruits, and proteins. Though I couldn't follow, the strict percentage formula. It was not possible for me to follow the strict percentage of these and that, but still I tried to follow diet on my own the way I could. I tried and followed that. Sometimes it used to happen, I was preparing some food for my baby like rice, dal, brown rice, dal, and lots of vegetables inside, or dalia or oats and dal and vegetables. These kind of khichidis or porridges. Sometimes I used to have that only for my lunch or for my breakfast or for my dinner. Sometimes I used to have what I was preparing for my baby. In a way, my baby used to be very happy seeing that okay, mom is eating the same thing. I was also happy I'm eating the same thing, and it was helping me also. But that was like sometimes, not always, because his food was very having a very bland taste without salt. So I was having that food sometimes. I started doing workouts, seeing YouTube video which are safe in postpartum period, which are safe for lower back pain, which will help me in recovering from lower back pain. I focused on those kind of workouts first, and then gradually when my lower back pain started improving, I started with lighter exercise, morning walks, and then I started my dance workouts. I love dancing, so I started with that also. My baby used to be very happy, like I used to dance in front of my baby with music on. He used to love that, and sometimes I used to take him in my lap and I used to dance like that. So everything I was doing, being a mom, whatever I could do, I was trying to do that. And wearing a belt, my doctor suggested me that I should wear a belt just after my surgery. I tried to do that. I don't know whether I was wearing the belt in a wrong way or due to what, I don't know, but my stitches, one of my stitch got opened up and there was infection in my stitch, so I stopped taking belts. There was no to my belt. I was so scared to take belt, but after 6 months I again started wearing belt. Sometimes, mostly I used to forget wearing, but whenever I was wearing belt I could see that my back pain was reducing. I was feeling so comfortable walking or doing work. It was really comfortable. It was supporting my back, and it was also helping my tummy, to be back in shape. So belts, nowadays I do forget most of the time, but I try and wear belts now. So those who say that later on wearing belt won't help, it is absolutely wrong. You can wear belt even later on, but just after surgery, wearing belt and doing any activity can be dangerous. I have faced that. So I have seen YouTube videos, postpartum safe videos, diastasis recti safe videos, videos of workouts, and yoga really something I love. So these are combination of Pilates, yoga, and aerobics, everything, and Zumba, a lot of dance, a lot of walking, and doing, running up and down the stairs. Being very active in work schedules really helped me losing my weight, and following balanced diet, not at all any crash diet, but following balanced diet, eating less of sugary things, less of outside food, more of fruits and vegetables, that is really helping me. And at night before sleeping I try and have haldi milk, and in the morning I try and have hot water in lemon, or hot water in apple cider vinegar and honey, or hot water boiled with cinnamon, fennel seed, methi seed, and jeera. That really helps in breast milk production also, and also helps. This kind of drinks in the taking in empty stomach early morning really helped me a lot. Like sometimes I used to soak overnight. Sometimes if I forget, then I'll just boil it and have the water. Jeera, then sometimes ajwain, fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds, that is methi and soft, all this together boiling. Sometimes I used to add cinnamon also, but I think the magic drink that I have used is haldi, cinnamon, black pepper powder, and raw haldi grated inside it, and raw ginger grated inside it, boiling together and having in early morning. That really helped me a lot. And also soaked almonds, and I love having tea at least once a day. So that 1 cup of tea in the morning or in the evening. Mostly I like taking it in the evening because my husband comes home and I really love enjoying a cup of coffee or tea. Mostly tea with him. That's a beautiful moment of the day I wait for. And in the morning, either one, green tea or milk tea or black tea, something I take with peeled soaked almonds, Before or after workout depends on when I'm hungry, and but first and foremost I take the drink. Sometimes I make immunity booster drink with tulsi, giloy, and like apple cider vinegar or something. Sometimes I make that haldi golden tea, that is with grated raw haldi, grated raw ginger, cinnamon, pepper, with all this mixed together. Lemon water actually a lot of people take, but I take it very rarely because I feel a lot of things combined together can give miraculous results, because haldi has really, turmeric tea has really given me a lot of benefits. I think it has helped me in losing weight, so you should try it. And being a new mom is very difficult because I have seen we cannot follow time schedule. That is really important in following a diet. Time schedule is something we cannot follow. We cannot follow proper dieting for us. We eat when we get time after taking care of our baby or our family. So despite being unable to follow a proper routine for myself, be it workout, be it walking, be it eating food in proper timely, still I think I have managed to lose a lot of weight. That is very surprising. That has given me a lot of boost for future. Even my dinner used to be very late. I nowadays I try and follow that early dinner because my husband used to return so late after work, and then preparing something, talking to him, playing together as a family. Dinner used to be late, but nowadays I'm trying to have early dinner. Early dinner really helps. I have seen having a dinner early is so important. So for all the moms, this is a very beautiful quote: when life gets hard and you feel all alone, remember you mean the world to somebody, and that somebody calls you mom. Love your small one and just take care of yourself. Weight loss will happen on its own. Bye bye.